video on Design of a Trapezoidal Footing. In this video, you will learn to interpret the design results of the trapezoidal footing in the software. Open the trapezoidal footing saved file, if you have closed it. If the punching shear ratios are not displayed, go to Display and click on Show Punching Shear Design. Right-click on the center of one of the columns, and its design details are displayed. Change the load combination to see the details for the other load combination. Click on Done to close the box. Similarly, you can see the details of the other column also. Go to Display, and click on Show Strip Forces. The load case is dead, the component chosen is moment, and the selected layer is A. Click on Apply. The moment diagram for the dead load, along the strip layer A is displayed. Hover your cursor over the strip layer, to check the values at each point. Choose the shear force option, and click on Apply to see the shear force values. Mark the Show Values on diagram, and click on Apply, to see the maximum positive and negative values. Similarly, you may check for other components, load cases or combinations, or change the strip layer to B. Click on Close, to close the Strip Forces box once you are done. Now go to the Display menu, and select Show Slab Forces/Stresses. This option is for checking analysis results like slab force, moment, or shear, on the slab area as a whole, instead of the design strips. Click on the MX option, and click on Apply. Close the box to see the footing. The diagram displays the maximum moment values, in kilonewton meter per meter, at different points of the footing. Hover your cursor over the footing slab area, to check for the values. The different color regions indicate different values of MX, which can be referred from the color code on the right. Similarly, you can view other slab forces and stresses. Again, click on Show Slab Forces/Stresses option, in the Display menu. Select the Vmax, which will display maximum shear force values. You can also select the load case or combination, for which you want to view the results. Click on Apply, and close the box to see the corresponding results. We had chosen dead load case and the Vmax option, and the diagram shows the maximum shear distribution in kilonewton per meter. You can try viewing the other slab results as well, from the Show Slab Forces/Stresses option. Now select the Show Slab Design option, in the Display menu. Mark the Impose Minimum Reinforcing option. Click on Apply, and close the box. The top and bottom reinforcement intensity, along the strip layer A is displayed. Similarly, you can choose to view the reinforcement intensity in the strip layer B. Once again, go to the Display menu, and click on Show Crack Widths. This option will display the crack widths, if any, at the top or bottom faces, for different load patterns or combinations. First, choose the load case as dead, and crack location as slab bottom face. Then click on Apply. The markings with different colors are the potential cracks that may happen due to the loads on the footing. You can hover your cursor over the cracks to see the width values. Or you can take the reference of the color code to understand the values. The values in the color code are in the range of E-3, which means 10 to the power -3 millimeters. So you can understand that the crack widths are very small, and can be neglected. Click on the Slab Top Face option, and click on Apply. This will show the crack widths, if any, on the top face of the slab. You can also change the load case or combination, to see the corresponding results. Close the box, once you are done. Now go to Display, and click on Show Tables. Expand Concrete Design. Then expand Concrete Slab Results, and mark the flexural and shear data option. Then click on OK, to view the flexural and shear data information. Under Status Text, all the stations are marked OK, so this means the footing also passes flexurally. Click on Done, to close the table. Now you will generate the detailing diagrams of the footing. Go to Run, and click on Run Detailing. Mark all the options, and click on OK. The detailing diagrams of the footing has been generated. Expand the Drawing Component Views option. Expand the slab's views, and double-click on Framing Plan. The framing plan is already displayed by default. Select the Rebar Table option. The table displays the lengths and numbers of bars, of different diameters, used to reinforce the concrete footing. Similarly, select the Rebar Schedule and the Bill of Quantities option, to view the rebar data in details. Expand the individual slab views, and expand the Slab 1 option. Double-click on the rebar plan, to view the arrangements of the different rebars on the slab. Select the top rebar plan, and the bottom rebar plan, to individually view the rebar plans in the top and bottom side. Select the Rebar Plan All Bars option, to view the placement of all the rebars. The difference between this and the earlier Rebar Plan option is that, in the rebar plan, arrangement of different bar sizes are shown, whereas here arrangement of all bars are displayed together. Similarly, you can check the rebar plan for all bars, in the top and bottom reinforcement separately. Notice the Section 1 and 2, displayed in the plan. Select the Section 1 option. This will display the rebar arrangement in the elevation Section 1. You can notice the information for bar diameter, and number of bars in each area. Select the Section 2 option, to view the rebar arrangement in the elevation Section 2. The Reinforcement Profile option, displays the overall distribution of reinforcement in the two sections. So you have successfully designed the trapezoidal footing in the software. In the next video, you will learn about mat foundations. Thanks for watching.